French cut diamond. We just made 450%. That was unpredictable move. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday. You bought this coin for 0.018 and you put a sell order right here at 10 cents. We made 450%. The coin pump up to 12 and a half. The coin pump almost 600%. That's insane returns. Another insane returns what graphic protocol 110%. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday. 0.0014 and you put a sell order right here at 0.003. Guys, 110% profit. Like I mentioned before, in order to get those trades in the real time, my software is tracking the volume spike. You see the volume spike right here? Where's my mouse is? That's what I'm tracking right now. Volume spike plus buyer power. Overall, today we hit 730%, guys. I just made $73,000. We trade French cut diamond, Cortex, walking chain, Finch AI, Aura chain. Guys, there's a lot of money in the market. That's a lot of opportunity every single day. I do the homework. All you gotta do is to follow my trades. To get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. tradecryptotime@gmail.com. It's a lifetime opportunity, guys. I share trades. We buy before the pump and sell up high and we jump to the next one. Also, if you don't like to trade crypto, we can trade for you. Feel free to reach me out. Also, we will alert you when you should buy and sell the main coins, guys. The main coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Polygon, and Polkadot, plus Solana is not here. Main coins, I will teach you a swing trade strategy. When you become a member, I'm gonna share this platform with you so you can have your own platform to trade. You don't have to spend $600 on trading view. Okay, with my platform, I'm gonna share it to you. You're gonna receive my coin, set up your draws, and trade. That's all you gotta do. Follow my trades. I'll do the homework. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. Hit me anytime. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.